I think I just found the next 3 big crypto tokens for this cycle. We cover the whole cryptocurrency market on this channel. Of course, I cover the big caps, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink. So often in the comments, I see your comment. You say, hey, cover new coins, cover small caps. What are you buying? Well, I just invested big money into these 3 low caps, and I'm going to explain to you why in this video. Smash the like button if you appreciate videos like this, because this is what we're doing today. All of these altcoins I'm going to talk about in this video, I'm either an early investor in or I bought OTC for a favorable valuation, because these projects excite me. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you info and opinion, along with disclaimers and disclosures, right? We talk about the high caps all the time on this channel. Many of you have been asking for this video, so smash the like button, guys. Support the channel, and without further ado, any coin we talk about, you can buy, sell, or trade any of these crypto coins on today's list on Bybit exchange. Make an account on Bybit, claim up to $30,000 worth of deposit bonuses. I like Bybit. I use them for buying, selling, and trading. First altcoin up is Cody. Now, Cody's been around since 2019. Cody, originally a blockchain known for operating projects in the Cardano ecosystem, is now transitioning to an Ethereum layer 2. So their blockchain used to be a DAG, and they used to be associated with Cardano. Now they're bringing big changes that are exciting to me, and the focus on privacy and the tech that they're adopting is exciting to me. Cody's transition to Cody version 2 is significant. Listen to this. This is kind of a big picture outlook for what they're doing this year. This is their plan. This is the CEO.
Hey everybody, this is Shachaf, and we've just released one of our biggest announcements to date, and I'm very excited about it because Cody V2 sets Cody to a very exciting future. We're going to solve the one fundamental challenge that still exists on every public blockchain: privacy. And we're going to take all the good things that we already have and upgrade our infrastructure to a full-blown privacy network. We're going to do that at a massive scale as a layer 2 on top of Ethereum. Once ready, we'll have all the good things that we have in Cody today, like clients and private payment networks, global tier 1 listings, treasury, you name it. And we'll have a privacy network that is 10x faster and lighter than any zero-knowledge network out there. And we'll do that over Ethereum so that we'll have access to liquidity and developers. So Cody V2 is Cody V1 plus privacy, plus layer 2 scalability, plus Ethereum security and liquidity.
Understand that they're upgrading the tech. They're differentiating themselves via the tech in this way.
It's important to note that we have also managed to achieve a research breakthrough that we've been working on for quite a while now behind the scenes. We'll be using a piece of technology that is called garble circuits. Garble circuits are a form of MPC, multi-party computing, and we're employing it in a way that wasn't done before. This will make us, again, 10x faster and lighter than any other ZK solution out there. It means that we can run on any device. It's a lot of things, and it opens up amazing use cases like confidential payments, DeFi, artificial intelligence, where data can be sent for systems to learn in an encrypted way, marketplaces, healthcare, obviously, logistics, and a lot more.
I hope you're starting to get an understanding why I was interested in this project. Also, the fact that they're leveraging Ethereum's security and liquidity by becoming an Ethereum L2, that's exciting to me.
Why are we building it as an Ethereum layer 2 and not as a layer 1 like others have done? It's quite obvious today, and we appreciate a lot of layer 1s out there, you know, like Cardano, obviously. But Ethereum is where most liquidity and developers are today. Previous attempts to build a privacy network as a layer 1 were limited because there was no liquidity out there. You know, liquidity kind of flows to where the rest of liquidity is. Layer 2s bring scalability, speed, and low transaction fees. So we needed to merge everything together. Having said that, we may grow to other chains in the future.
Like I said, they've been around for a few years now, so they're not starting fresh. They have years of code, infrastructure, plumbing. They've got so much going for them as they're not a new project, but their transition to version 2 is without a doubt better. So again, understand the difference between version 1 and version 2. Listen to the next 60 seconds, minute and a half. The CEO highlights exactly every aspect that will be better this year.
So let me finalize and summarize all the upgrades that you're getting with Cori V2, and you can see it as well. In terms of scalability, we had scalability in Cori V1 with the DAG infrastructure, which we love, but we'll have scalability with Cori V2 as it's built as a layer 2. Privacy was not an offering we had in Cori V1. We will have it in Cori V2. And just to kind of like focus things, when we're talking about privacy, we're not talking about anonymity, one of these tokens. No, we're talking about confidential transactions. It means that you know that this wallet is interacting with that wallet. You don't know what exactly they're sending, amount. Smart contracts. We always wanted smart contracts in Cori. We couldn't have them in Cori V1, but we will have them with Cori V2. And we'll have EVM compatibility, which is huge, super important. Developers want EVM compatibility. With that in mind, we're talking about programmers. Solidity will be the language that we'll be using. It's widely adopted out there. A lot of developers already know Solidity. In terms of development, up until now, Cori did all the development in the network out there. It was very hard for third-party developers to develop over Cori because the way we are structured and because, you know, we've been using things that are not very common like DAG and everything else. With Cori V2, we'll obviously have our own development efforts, which Cori the company is doing, but we'll be open to third-party developers and offer a stack for developers to build. So, you know, it grows as an open source project. The use case for Cori V1 was always about, you know, payments. With V2, we'll obviously have payments and even better payments because they can be confidential, but we'll have DEXs, marketplaces, gaming, AI, healthcare, legal, a lot of things we're never been able to build in Web3 without having, you know, a good way to handle sensitive data. We will have that in Cori V2. In terms of client base, we're keeping all the client base that we have in V1 and grow it with V2. We're keeping, obviously, all the global tier 1 listings that we have. The treasury app will be upgraded and move along with us to Cori V2. Obviously, the ability to mint tokens. The bridge that is required in Cori V1 will not be required in Cori V2. Supply dynamics will be different. Today, we have a rigid fixed supply. Cori V2 will have a supply that is either inflationary or deflationary, depending on how the network works. KYC is today in Cori V1 is mandatory on the protocol level. You can't really hold a native asset without doing KYC. That will no longer be the case, and people can hold Cori V2 tokens without doing KYC. If specifically you're going to build a DEX or payment layer on Cori V2 and you want to have KYC, then by all means you can, of course, but it's not mandatory. So this is the upgrades that you're getting. I think we can agree that it's quite a lot. Now, in terms of roadmap, we have a full plan for 2024, which includes a major release every quarter, both on the technical aspects and on the business aspects as well. And, you know, we're already at work. So this is happening right now.
AIT protocol. We've mentioned AIT protocol on the channel a couple times before. Revolutionizing AI, Web3, and big data processing, our mission is to be the leading decentralized machine learning protocol empowering AI development with scale and efficiency. If I had to sum up AIT protocol in one phrase, it'd be train to earn. Their train to earn model, as far as AI and big data, really interesting because basically businesses or entities can contribute information, earn rewards, and then the AI gets smarter and better. World's first AI infrastructure providing Web3 AI solutions and creating millions of jobs with the train-to-earn model. They have a token burning mechanism, which is something I really like. They're partnered with some of the big players. And one of the big reasons I like them is described in this clip. So Jolly Green Investor and the Nifty Investor discuss part of their bull thesis on the Beanstalk YouTube channel. I think they nailed it. This is the secret sauce for AIT. They're backed and incubated by PAL AI.
AIT protocol, ticker is AIT. It's backed by one of our favorite AI projects, PAL. So PAL has performed very well over the last year, one of the top gainers at one point, and they created a specific roadmap. And I think AIT protocol, being backed and incubated by PAL, is following this roadmap to a T. We already saw a very successful launch with AIT. It's up a tremendous amount. However, I think with all the things that they have going for them and their amazing relationship with PAL, I think this thing has room to run. As we know, AI is going to be one of the top narratives for this coming bull run. I think the top narrative. AI is going to consume everything. And big data is another huge narrative as well. So I think a lot of the things that we're going to reveal about how it works, you're going to see that AIT protocol is definitely a gem.
Here's what I like when you're incubated by PAL, and we look at the number of holders there are of the PAL token now and the number of projects that PAL's onboarded. And when PAL is sponsoring the biggest AI summits in the world, the connections that they've made.
Yep.
Who do you think now is going to have access to all these partners that PAL has come across?
Yep.
AIT.
For sure.
And they're following the blueprint. You know, if you're just an AIT token holder and don't give a shit about what it is they're trying to solve, they're following the same blueprints. They've introduced staking. There's a lockup period. What ends up happening is the tokens going up. People are like, shit, I better lock my tokens. Lock it for 28 days, get beautiful 40% APY. But during that time of the lockups, they come up with massive news, massive partnerships. And then those people can't sell because it's locked up. But you're like, well, why would I sell?
Yeah.
Because this project's doing so great.
Yeah.
And it does like this like feedback loop.
Okay, next one is Prisma Finance. And if you're in tune with what's going on in the space and what's developing, maybe you're aware that staking tokens and actually liquid restaking tokens, this is where Ethereum's going. This is where crypto's going. And Prisma is the end game for liquid staking tokens and liquid restaking tokens, non-custodial, decentralized Ethereum liquid staking tokens, liquid restaking tokens, backed stablecoins. This is not the time nor the place to give you a TLDR on liquid restaking. Just know that liquid restaking is the new alpha. Liquid restaking provides liquid staking token holders with the opportunity to maximize their participation across all DeFi ecosystems. Basically, this allows users to earn additional yield while still supporting the security of the network, but it also comes with its own set of risks and challenges as the Ethereum ecosystem continues to evolve. It will be interesting to see how liquid restaking and other new concepts shape the future of DeFi. Liquid restaking, certainly where this industry is heading, and Prisma is a leader in this. We're thrilled to announce that Prisma liquid restaking is now live on Ethereum's mainnet. So this just went live on Ethereum's mainnet. Fellow analyst and YouTuber, Virtual Bacon, he walks us through the value prop of Prisma in this 60-second short.
Prisma still has a lot of potential being a very new project. Prisma Finance is a liquid staking protocol that uses these liquid staking tokens you can find on Lido Stake Ethereum or Rocket Pool Ethereum, Coinbase Ethereum, etc., and use these tokens in order to mint a stablecoin. This allows the stablecoin to have native yield, which is a great opportunity to earn passive income by still holding a stablecoin that doesn't fluctuate at all. But these yields are real yield because it takes advantage of Ethereum staking. I think the opportunity here is massive as the stablecoin market is worth tens of billions of dollars, which are currently sitting idle and not earning yield. The overall growth of Ethereum staking will also see more money flow into all LSD protocols, and Prisma will have a share of this market.
So this is our list. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I'd like to give honorable mentions to Mina Protocol, XCAD, and Injective Protocol. I still think these coins have a lot going for them this cycle. Hey, subscribe to the channel. We put out videos like this on a daily basis. Join the Altcoin Daily team. Cryptocurrency is the future, turning into a great year. See you tomorrow.